Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a graphic line. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, the graphic line is a concept of design. It got the following characteristics: generate brand identity, visual recognition in any visual medium. This means video, printed media, etc. The purpose of the graphic line is to create identity, unity, and also remind the user the brand that he is watching. It got the following components: color, typography, image, and diagrammation. Okay, so when you are going to start develop the graphic line for a presentation, a brand, or any kind of visual aid, the first thing that you do is select the colors. That is very important. So you have to know which are the meaning of each color. Here I'm going to show you the graphic line of the channel, which is Design Thinking 24/7. So we choose black, red, and white. It's very important because when you analyze all the social media, all the videos, we always have the same colors. That is because we want to remember all the people that are watching our videos, which are the identity. So black, it's elegance, red is passion, and white, it's also really elegant, but again make a big contrast with black. After that, you pick the typography. I recommend to use minimum two typographies, but it's very important that you choose typographies from the same family. So here you can see that we choose typography that are from the same family, but also have a good proportion with the visual aid that you are designing. That it's very important as well. After that, you pick the kind of image that you're gonna use. You choose pictures, illustrations, or pictograms. If you choose pictures, you have to choose with the same color. For example, black and white, or full color, or if it got a special treatment. The illustration, it's a big word of illustration, so it has to have the same kind of illustration as well. And also, you can choose pictograms. If you analyze all the things that we design, we always use the same kind of pictograms because we want that people remember what is the kind of design that we want to project. So you can choose one or you can choose the three elements of image. What is important here? The proportion. It's very important that you choose a proportion that is big, representing ideas. And you can also propose that with the same style that you want to project of your brand and the identity that it got. Finally, we have the diagrammation. For this is the things that you use digital, printed, but if you want to do that, you have to choose a program. People sometimes use Corel Draw, Illustrator, or a program of vectors that allow you to put everything together. What is the idea here? Depending on what you are designing, a presentation, a website, a video, you always have to remember that the graphic line give identity of your proposal. It will be recognized. It doesn't have to have always the name of your company, but always keep the same levels of color, typography, image, and diagrammation. For example, if you see Coca-Cola, you know which are the colors that they use, the kind of typography that they use. It doesn't have to say always Coca-Cola, so you know that that is a publicity or advertising of them. That happened with every big brand, McDonald's, anything that you can have in your mind. It's very important that you always remember and keep the identity. These elements are always put together in a visual way. So that is very important because the graphic line is the identity not only of your brand, of the presentation of anything that you are designing. When you finish to create your graphic line, as a result, you will generate recognition by the users or clients of the graphic identity that manage the brand or individual in any means visual communication. It also evidences the visual identity of the proposal of the brand that is driving in any communication. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help for all your projects. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Every week we have special content in our social media channels. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 channel of design thinking in the whole YouTube world. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.